Prepare to redefine your aerial photography experience with the AE60 Ultra Professional Drone. This isn't just another drone, it's a comprehensive aerial platform designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, boasting an impressive array of cutting-edge features including an 8K camera, advanced GPS, a 3-axis gimbal, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a revolutionary touchscreen FPV remote control. The AE60 pushes boundaries, delivering exceptional stability, stunning image quality, and unparalleled control. Key features and highlights: unrivaled 8K imagery with 3-axis anti-shake PTZ. At the heart of the AE60 is its sophisticated 8K ELS, electronic image stabilization, camera, paired with a robust 3-axis anti-shake gimbal. This dynamic duo ensures incredibly stable and breathtakingly sharp video at 3840-2160 TF card, and crystal clear photos at a staggering 7680-4320 TF card resolution. The camera also supports a wide 110 degrees electric adjustable angle, allowing for diverse shot compositions. Whether you're capturing sprawling landscapes or intricate details, the AE60 delivers cinematic results. Revolutionary laser obstacle avoidance. Fly with ultimate confidence thanks to the AE60's advanced 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance system. With a detection range of up to 15 to 20 meters, the drone intelligently senses and bypasses obstructions from all directions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and ensuring a safer, more enjoyable flight experience. The option to choose models with or without this sensor is available. Integrated Airdrop functionality. The AE60 isn't just for capturing stunning visuals, it's also a highly versatile tool. With a built-in airdrop device, this drone can precisely carry and release payloads of up to approximately 800 G with a single click, perfect for creative deliveries, search and rescue simulations, or unique aerial stunts. Extended flight times and range. Powering your extended adventures is an 11.4 V9800 mAh high-capacity polymer lithium-ion battery, providing ample flight time. The drone supports an impressive flight height of 800 m and utilizes 5G repeat technology for real-time transmission up to a remarkable 12 km, ensuring a stable and reliable connection even at vast distances. Intelligent GPS positioning and safety features. Benefit from precise GPS positioning for stable hovering and accurate navigation. The AE60 incorporates intelligent safety protocols, including automatic return to home when exceeding distance limits, losing control, or experiencing low battery power, ensuring the drone's safe recovery. Professional control with customizable parameters. For the discerning aerial photographer, the AE60 offers a professional mode through its flight control app. This allows for fine-tuning of critical aerial parameters such as exposure, contrast, saturation, sharpness, white balance, and sensitivity, giving you complete creative control over your footage. The drone also supports convenient daytime and nighttime mode switching and a panoramic mode for expansive shots. Cutting-edge touchscreen remote control. Experience unparalleled control with the AE60's 7.2-inch touchscreen remote control. This innovative controller runs on an Android system, allowing not only seamless drone operation but also the ability to download and utilize other Android applications, effectively functioning as a multi-purpose device. The remote control is powered by a 3.7 V9200 mAh battery, offering approximately 3.5 hours of operation on a single charge. Design and portability. The AE60 features a sleek design available in sophisticated carbon fiber and grey finishes. Its practical foldable design makes it highly portable, transitioning from an unfolded size of 420 by 420 by 128 mm to a compact 233 by 118 by 128 mm, perfect for on-the-go adventures. In the box, the AE60 Drone stands out as a truly ultra-professional offering. Its combination of an 8K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, advanced obstacle avoidance, impressive range, intelligent flight modes, and a feature-rich touchscreen remote control makes it a formidable contender in the high-end drone market. Whether you're a seasoned professional seeking an advanced tool or an ambitious enthusiast ready to elevate your aerial skills, the AE60 delivers on its promise of an exceptional and truly professional flying experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more reviews or real-world cinematic footage.